parang hindi siya defined talaga. This is our yes. Ipareha nyo na lang din sa ating mission, values, diba?
How about po yung goals and focus? Parang it's the same.
Yung goal natin is to be yung $1 billion company. So, but of course, year on year, meron tayong set and
So how about po yung groups in the organization? And ano po, relationship among stakeholders?
Stakeholders.
ano, sige, groups in the organization. Okay. Ano yung mga groupings natin? Sige, pa-expound nyo. Ano yung gusto ninyong
Paano ba yung pagkakasabi niyo dito sa groups in the organization?
Baka mga department.
Department?
Parang mini-mix mo, meron kang video at saka picture.
Opo. Video, picture lang.
The groups in the organization.
Teka, so this general. Ano gusto niyo